Deleted your Gmail account by mistake? Don't panic. Here's exactly how to recover it in just a few simple steps. First, open any web browser and search for Recover Gmail account. Click on the official Google support article that appears at the top. Once you're on the page, skip the top information, scroll straight down to the section titled Recover a Deleted Google Account. Click the link that says Follow the steps to recover your account. This will take you to the official account recovery page. And click the link that says Follow the steps to recover your account. Enter the email address or phone number associated with your deleted account and hit Next. You'll see a prompt letting you know the account was recently deleted and may still be recoverable. Now type in your most recent password and hit Next. And that's it. You instantly see a success screen confirming your account has been undeleted. If this quick guide saved your account, hit that like button and subscribe for more straight to the point tech tutorials.